Hey, what's up, everybody? This is your girl Sophia, and I'm back again today at the Glamoury Shop with another thrift style flip. That's right, you heard me. I'm gonna give you one more look for the summer season because somebody just informed me that
Summer is coming to an end!
now, I realize that was a bit dramatic, but I really do love the summer season. I mean, I do love fall too. But today, I'm going to give you one more look for the summer season, my next thrift style flip. Now, mind you, listen. I'm going down the aisles in the Goodwill. Everyone has seen this dress. Everyone has seen this dress. Look at this. And you be like, who grandma gonna wear this? No offense, Grandma. I feel like you would wear this. I really do. Like, I mean, I think it'll be cute on you. But for the rest of us, I'm going to take this and we going to make it poppin'. Let's get to it. Okay guys, so for today's thrift flip, what I'm going to try to do effectively is turn this dress into a two-piece outfit. So what I want to do, like I said earlier, is I really like this overlay, but I want to take this off of here. So I'm going to do a little bit of thread picking to get this off of here, hopefully without damaging the top. I might make a little camisole to go underneath here because it is really, see-through. I mean, I kind of like that part of it. But anyways, we're going to take the top layer of the dress and the second layer, and I want to make some shorts to go with it. So, like I said, effectively make a two-piece. So we'll see. So the first thing I'm going to do is pick out the threads for this top overlay. All right, everybody, I'm back, okay, after a while. I was able to get this away from that dress, that hideous, y'all know it was ugly, dress. So now I'm gonna have to work on constructing this back into a shirt. It pretty much has like the outline of what the shirt is gonna look like, but I'll have to piece it back together to make it a shirt, and then we'll see about a cami underneath that. And then now I've got my 2 layers of lining fabric that was underneath that dress, plus the top layer, which was like a silk chiffon gray that it was. So I'm gonna make my shorts out of this. I already have a pattern from some shorts that I had before. We're gonna get our shirts working, not just with the chiffon. I'm gonna also use the lining. Don't want no see-through stuff. I mean, we could, but we won't today. All right, everybody. So now I've got all of the shorts cut out. It took forever. I'm not gonna lie to you. I do not like cutting out patterns and stuff. Like, I love the end result, but I hate cutting out patterns. Or just, the whole business. Anywho, so this is my shorts. This is the lining, so this is gonna be the base of it, and then this is the nice little flowy. This is what took so long, because it's all slinky and stuff. But it's gonna be popping. Watch. Okay, so I'm gonna sew all these together, get this little shorts together. Hopefully they come out exactly how I wanted them to come out, but we'll see. And then I'm gonna work on the top. Okay guys, so now I finally have both of the bottom parts done. So this is the overlay, and so I'm gonna attach this to the base piece and we'll see how that looks, and hopefully I'll be onto the shirt now. Guys, so I've got my shorts done and I've got the overlay attached to the shorts, and then I did leave a little bit, don't look at my bed, it's not straight, a little bit of a band here. I'm gonna thread some elastic through here so I can make it a little stretchy, because yeah, I didn't want to try to put in no zipper and all that stuff. Too much. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and put that through. I got this. I've got to find my for those of you who don't know, safety pin, because that's how the easiest way to string it through. You just hook the safety pin on the end of the elastic and then you pull it through, and then you've got your elastic band. I mean, you know, you're gonna put a couple of stitches in it to close it up, but that's how you do it. The you know, Sophia 10-second version way of how you do it. Okay, finally, I'm done with these shorts. I've got my little spandex in there. Now we're on to the shirts. Finally. Oh my God, it's, you don't understand. Like, literally, this has taken 2 days to record. Okay, so you can see I've got it all down here on the table, spread out, and you can see like where it was shaped here for the armholes. So like I said, this one's probably going to be the easier of the two things to do. I say that and I laugh because I feel like I keep saying that things are easy, but they're not. So maybe I should stop saying easy and just, you know, doable. Yeah, let's say doable. Okay, so I'm gonna, you see where this one lined up, you can see like where the start of the arm, or actually no, this is the back here. The back piece here. So I'm gonna play with it a little bit and see like how much overlay I'm gonna put on here. But yeah, you can see it's super pretty, just, you know, by itself. Okay guys, so I finally got my shirt, or yeah, the top put back together. It's not closed up yet, but you can kind of see what it's gonna look like. Now I'm gonna reattach the arms, but what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna attach it all the way up to the top. I'm gonna leave so it's got like this cold shoulder effect here. So I'm just gonna fold it down so it just kind of hangs to the side for like added detail, because why not? Anyways, I'm gonna do that to both of them, fold them down, then I'm gonna attach them back into the armholes here and close up this shirt. I'm so excited. Okay guys, I finished my two-piece. So now I've got my shorts. Ooh. And I've got my shirt back. This is gonna look amazing on, I promise. Like, you're like, oh, Sophia, it looks just like that dress that you were talking so much crap about. But I promise, it's gonna look super dope on. Let me just give me a second. Give me a second. You'll see. But anyways, I'm so glad that I finished. I'm super excited to try this on and show you guys. Don't miss my next thrift flip, or I think next week I might do something more fallish. I don't know. But go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you don't miss any more of my videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.